10 quick tips to grow your natural hair. Rocking natural hair is many things. It's a bold expression, it's a fashion statement, it is originality, it is beautiful. But what if one of the things your natural hair isn't long enough? No need to fret. Here are just the tips for growing your hair into a glorious mane. Number 1. Trim often. Yes. This seems ironic. Why grow natural hair only to trim it often? You may think, obviously trimming is going to reduce the length, which kinda defeats the original purpose. But here's the catch. Hair over time develops split ends which, if not trimmed, can slow or stop hair growth. Trimming hair, especially natural hair, by removing the split ends helps your hair grow healthier and better. Number 2. Avoid excessive heat application on your hair. There may sometimes be resistance to heat conditioning your hair in order to straighten it out. Here's the catch. Natural hair is made up of proteins. Excessive heat denatures proteins. So in order to grow your hair faster and more healthy, you're best off avoiding excessive heat conditioning. Number 3. Use appropriate size combs to detangle. Natural hair can sometimes get tangled up and then you need to comb it out. Use wide-toothed combs, as very narrow-toothed combs can go rough on the hair, causing breakage and removal. Using combs that are widely toothed enough helps you to grow your hair faster. Number 4. Co-wash your hair. This has the benefit of adding moisture to your hair, which in turn helps your hair grow faster. This is especially important when your scalp is usually dry, as dry hair tends to break often. So washing your hair with a conditioner not only helps prevent breakage but also makes it healthier and more hydrated. Number 5. Be very picky with your shampoo choices. Avoid shampoos that are harsh on the scalp. A general tip in this direction is to avoid sulfate-containing shampoos, as these can damage the cuticles of hair, thus impeding its growth. Also, shampoo usage should not be too frequent. Once a week is a good rate. This is also to give your hair natural oils some time to act. Number 6. Use organic natural hair growth supplements to enhance growth. Some organic natural hair growth supplements have the advantage of speeding up the growth of your hair while also being mild and gentle on the scalp. Coconut oil-based supplements are a good way to start. Number 7. Adopt a healthy diet. Your body parts, your hair included, generally require nutrients from your diet to grow well. A good diet rich in vitamins will help your hair grow faster. Number 8. Avoid harsh chemical application on your natural hair. Chemicals such as dyes, relaxers, and other synthetic coloring or tinting products can be very harsh on hair and scalp, or drastically change its chemical environment into one that's inconducive for fast growth of hair. Number 9. Use protective hairstyles for your natural hair. If your natural hair is braided, and the braids are too tight, it can lead to breakage at the scalps. Thus, the styles you rock your hair in can often determine how well and fast it grows. You can also use protective styling to protect your hair and thus enhance its growth. Number 10. Protect your natural hair during sleep. You might want to invest in soft coverings for your pillows and hair, so the stress hair is exposed to during all the turning and tossing of sleep is reduced and your hair gets a chance to grow fast without being subjected to constant stress and breakage.